Hi, everyone, and welcome back to English Flow Studio. I'm Emma, and it's really good to spend this quiet moment with you.
And I'm Ryan. We hope your day feels calm and safe wherever you are.
Today, we're talking about 6 emergency situations that many travelers worry about. Situations like losing your wallet, finding out your passport is gone, or getting a scam call from someone pretending to be official.
These are moments we never want to happen to anyone. But sometimes life surprises us. And when it does, English can suddenly feel difficult, especially when your heart is beating fast.
So, in this episode, we'll help you prepare. You'll learn how to explain the problem in simple English, how to ask for help clearly, and how someone might answer you in a real conversation.
We'll stay slow, calm, and warm the whole time, so you can follow every word with ease and confidence.
All right, let's take a deep breath together and begin with the first situation. Okay, let's start with a moment that many people fear when traveling. Your wallet is suddenly gone. You check your bag, your pockets, and it is not there. You feel a cold rush inside your chest, and your mind becomes very quiet because you don't know what to say in English.
This moment can feel heavy and confusing, so let's walk through it slowly with simple words you can use right away.
Imagine this. You are standing on a busy street. People are walking fast around you. Your hands are shaking a little. You try to breathe, but your wallet is still missing. You need help, but you don't know how to start.
In this situation, one strong and simple sentence can open the door to help. You can say, "My wallet was stolen." Just this, 4 words, clear and true.
And if you want to ask for help right after, you can add, "What should I do?" Put together, it becomes a complete request. My wallet was stolen. What should I do?
This helps the other person understand 2 things at once. First, what happened, and second, that you need guidance.
And now let's hear how a real conversation might sound. Imagine you walk into a small shop or speak to a person nearby. Excuse me, my wallet was stolen. What should I do?
I'm sorry that happened. Where did you last see it?
I think it was in my bag. I noticed it just now.
Okay, stay calm. You should go to the police station. It is 2 streets away. I can show you the way if you want.
Thank you. Yes, please.
You're welcome. Do you still have your phone?
Yes, I do.
Good. Keep it safe. And if you need help reporting the theft, the officers can guide you.
In real life, the person you talk to may ask simple questions like, where did it happen? Do you still have your phone? Do you need directions? These questions are not difficult, but they can feel overwhelming when you are stressed.
So listen for key words. You don't need to understand every word, just the main idea.
And if you don't understand, you can always say, can you say that again, please?
Or, can you speak slowly? Both are polite and very common.
Let's practice another short version of the conversation, this time even simpler. My wallet was stolen. Can you help me?
Of course. Where did you lose it?
I'm not sure. Maybe in the metro?
Okay, you should report it. The police station is this way.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Stay safe.
Remember, the goal is not perfect English. The goal is clear English. Short sentences can still bring help.
And you never have to face a moment like this alone. There are always people around who will listen if you speak clearly and calmly.
All right, take a small breath. You did great with this first situation.
Let's move to the next moment. Another situation we all hope never happens, but it's important to be ready for it. Now, let's talk about another moment that can feel even more stressful. You reach into your bag, you check your pockets, you open every zipper again and again, but your passport is not there.
Your chest becomes tight, your hands feel cold, and your mind starts asking many questions at the same time. Did I drop it? Was it in the hotel? Did someone take it? It is a very scary feeling, especially in another country.
So, in this moment, one simple sentence can help you ask for support. Just say, "I lost my passport." You can also add, "Can you help me?" Together, it becomes clear and strong. "I lost my passport. Can you help me?"
This tells the person what happened and that you need guidance. You don't need long sentences. You don't need perfect grammar. You only need to be clear.
"Excuse me, I lost my passport. Can you help me?"
I'm sorry to hear that. When did you last see it?
"I think it was this morning. Maybe in my room, or maybe in the taxi."
Okay, let's stay calm. We can check your room first. If it is not there, we can call the taxi company.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Of course, we will try our best.
In real situations, people may ask short questions like, "Where did you last see it? Do you remember the place? Do you need to contact someone?" Try to answer with simple words.
And remember, you can always say, "I'm not sure," or "I don't remember." These are common and completely okay.
Now, let's try another version of the conversation, this time with a police officer or airport staff. "Hi, I lost my passport. Can you help me?"
Yes, of course. Do you know where you last used it?
"I used it at security. After that, I'm not sure."
All right. We can check the lost and found office. Please follow me.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. We will do everything we can.
When you are stressed, it is easy to forget details, so don't worry if your sentences are short. You can say things like, "I used it this morning. I think it was in the taxi. I checked my bag. It is not there."
Simple English is enough even in a scary moment. People understand the fear behind lost passports, and most of them will try to help you.
Take a slow breath. Even a difficult moment can feel lighter when you know what to say.
You did well in this situation. And now, let's look at another moment that can feel very uncomfortable and unsafe.
Sometimes the danger is not clear. No one takes anything from you. Nothing is missing. But your body feels something. A small warning inside your chest.
Maybe someone is walking too close. Maybe they keep looking at you. Maybe they try to talk to you in a strange way. It is not always easy to explain, but the feeling of something is wrong is very real.
And when you feel unsafe in a public place, you do not need perfect English. You only need one simple sentence that asks for help in a soft but clear way.
You can say, "Something feels unsafe. Can you stay with me?"
This sentence is strong but polite. It tells the listener that you are uncomfortable and you need someone near you for a moment. "Hi, sorry, something feels unsafe. Can you stay with me for a moment?"
Of course. Are you okay?
"I think someone is following me. I'm not sure, but I feel nervous."
It's all right. You can stand here with me. Do you want me to call someone?
Maybe. Can you please wait with me for a little bit?
Yes, no problem. You're safe here.
When you speak like this, the person may ask simple questions. Are you okay? Do you want help? Do you want me to call someone? You can answer very simply.
You can say, I feel nervous, or I don't feel safe. Both are clear and honest.
Let's hear another version of this moment. This time, asking for help inside a shop or cafe. Hi, sorry, I don't feel safe outside. Can I wait in here for a minute?
Yes, of course. You can sit over there. Is someone bothering you?
I'm not sure. A man kept walking near me.
All right. You can stay here until you feel better. If you need help, just tell me.
Thank you. I feel safer now.
You're welcome. Take your time.
In these moments, the goal is to protect yourself, not to explain every detail. Short, honest sentences are enough.
And remember, you can always add one more helpful sentence. Can you speak slowly? This lets you focus on the important words without feeling more stressed.
If you want to ask for help to move away from the situation, you can say, "Can you walk with me for a moment?"
People usually understand and respond with kindness.
Feeling unsafe is a very human experience. You are not weak for asking for help. You are strong because you speak up.
And now, let's move to another stressful moment that can happen to anyone when traveling.
Now let's talk about another stressful moment. Your phone rings and the number looks strange. Maybe it is a long number. Maybe it shows a different country. Or maybe the caller says they are from the bank or the police, but something does not feel right.
This kind of moment can make anyone nervous. You try to understand the English words, but the voice is fast, the tone is serious, and you feel pressure in your chest.
In this situation, you do not need to give any information. You do not need to answer questions. You only need a short, strong, polite sentence to end the call.
You can say, "No, thank you. I can't talk right now."
And if the person keeps talking, you can add, "I'm not comfortable with this. I'm ending the call."
These two sentences protect you without sounding rude. They help you take control of the conversation.
Hello?
Hello, I'm calling from your bank. Your account has a problem. Please tell me your passport number.
No, thank you. I can't talk right now.
This is important. You must give your information now.
I'm not comfortable with this. I'm ending the call.
You did the right thing.
Most scam calls try to make you panic. They use fast speech or strong words like important or urgent, but you don't need to answer anything.
If something is truly important, your real bank or your real travel company will never ask for your passport number on a phone call.
Now let's talk about scam messages. Sometimes you receive a strange text with a link you don't understand or a message that sounds scary.
In that moment, you can ask someone near you for help. A simple sentence is enough. This message looks suspicious. Can you check it for me?
Excuse me, this message looks suspicious. Can you check it for me?
Sure, let me see. Yes, this looks like a scam. Do not open the link.
Okay, thank you. I wasn't sure.
You did the right thing. Always ask if you are not sure.
When you ask for help, you may hear answers like, "It looks fake. Don't open the link. Just delete it." These are common, simple phrases.
And remember, you never need to answer a message that makes you uncomfortable. Your safety comes first.
If you want to block the number, you can say, I don't know this number. I want to block it.
Someone near you can show you how to do that. You are never alone in these moments.
All right, we've walked through some difficult situations today, moments we hope you never experience. But if they do happen, you now have simple, clear English to ask for help and stay safe.
We're really glad you spent this quiet time with us. If this episode helped you feel more prepared, feel free to follow us for more calm, gentle English.
Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you again soon.